Hello all once again. I'm Saurabh Shashidharan, working as Customer Success Manager for ARC Advisory India. In this session, I'll be joining again with Mr. Siddharth to discuss on his published study, IO modules. As mentioned in my previous videos, we will cover the context like scope of the market, supply landscape, key factors, strategies. So let me welcome Siddharth. Hi, Siddharth.
Hi Saurabh. Hello everyone.
So, Siddharth, as you know, my first question will be to know about the scope of its market. So, please explain on that.
Sure, Saurabh. So ARC publishes two distinct reports on IO modules. One report focuses on discrete industries and covers IO modules which are used in factory manufacturing applications like machine control, which can also be applied in process settings due to the enhanced processing power of PLCs. The other report targets process industry applications detailing IO modules for process automation, which includes DCS IO components in distributed control systems, as well as intrinsically safe modules for hazardous environments. It also covers third party IO modules commonly used in process applications.
Right. Siddharth, can you explain on the supply landscape for this market?
So there are several suppliers operating in the IO modules market landscape, both in the discrete as well as the process applications, such as ABB, Beckhoff, Emerson, Honeywell, Mitsubishi, Omron, Rockwell Automation, Siemens, and Yokogawa, to name a few.
Thank you, Siddharth. The next question, I will combine these two questions actually. First, you can start with the growth factors. Then you can explain if there are any inhibiting factors. So you can combine both and explain it to the audience.
Sure, Saurabh. So coming to the growth or the success factors for this market. So one notable growth factor for the IO modules market is the growing demand for flexible manufacturing solutions. The increasing adoption of these systems in industrial applications is driving the global demand for IO modules. So they rely on advanced automation, control systems, and IoT technologies, necessitating IO modules for connectivity, data integration, and real-time monitoring. Some other major factors include the increasing demand for Profinet-based IO modules and the digitization of plants and production facilities. So these factors have been driving and will continue to drive the market in the coming years. Coming to growth inhibiting factors, there are few growth inhibiting factors that impede the market growth and development. So one such factor is cybersecurity threats. The growth of industrial IoT relies heavily on the integration of IO modules for communication between the control systems and the physical equipment. So, however, rising cyber threats hinder widespread adoption. Security breaches risk they're disrupting the industrial operations, causing companies to hesitate uh, in their adoption of IO modules. So this caution impacts the market as the increased risk of cyber attacks on connected systems necessitates robust cybersecurity measures and added costs, which slows down technology adoption. Other key inhibiting factors include cost pressure and economic volatility.
Thank you, Siddharth, for briefing both the factors. Siddharth, would you like to add the strategies that you would recommend to the buyers of the system?
Buyers of IO modules can capitalize on open automation platforms and open communication standards to enhance the flexibility, reduce the overall costs, and also foster innovation. By embracing open platforms, buyers gain access to a broader range of compatible components and software solutions, which empowers them to tailor their automation systems to specific requirements without a vendor lock in. Open communication standards such as OPC UA facilitate interoperability between devices and systems, that simplifies data exchange and promotes seamless integration across diverse automation landscapes.
Right. Siddharth, do you want to add any other market trends to this?
Sure, Saurabh. So, one major trend which every supplier in the IO modules market is talking about is the convergence of IT and OT, that is, information technology and operational technology. So, the convergence will significantly impact the market. This integration um, will drive the demand for intelligent, connected IO modules that prioritize cybersecurity, uh, support industry IoT and industry 4.0 technologies, and adhere to open standards for interoperability. Other key trends include AI and edge technologies and the use of open platform communications.
Thank you, Siddharth. My last question to you is like, how can this study, IO modules, be benefited for our buyers? So please brief on that too.
The IO modules market studies, both the discrete as well as process studies, they provide strategic insights into the applications of IO modules across both the industry landscapes. And it features quantitative assessments, global forecasts, as well as data on various sectors. So, this report serves as an exhaustive industry guide, offering suppliers valuable trends, technological insights, and opportunities for customization to maintain a competitive edge. End users can utilize this roadmap to make informed decisions, understand market dynamics, and optimize processes through in depth in industry insights. So, functioning as an essential link between suppliers and end users, this report aims to help all stakeholders thrive in this continuously evolving manufacturing landscape.
Thank you, Siddharth, for answering all the queries related to the study. And I hope this will definitely, clear all our, audience's questions. And to our audience, for additional information, I would request you to please visit our website, www.arquip.com. You can also use the contact form to reach to us directly. Once again, thank you, Siddharth, and thanks to our audience for watching the video.
Thank you. Thank you, Saurabh.